Hi guys, do you want to learn letter like me? Yeah? So let's go. Dark blue color, pink color, orange color, gray color, dark green color. A. A for alligator. B. B for bell. C. C for cat. D. D for dog. E. E for elephant. F. F for fairy. G. G for glass. H. H for horse. I for Iceland. J. J for jam. K. K for king. L. L for lemon. M. M for monkey. N. N for noodle. O. O for onion. P. P for pig. Q. Q for queen. R. R for rat. S. S for snake. T. T for train. U. U for umbrella. V. V for van. W. W for watch. X. X for X-ray. Y. Y for yacht. Z. Z for zebra. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Light pink color, green color, blue sky color, red color, yellow color. Number 1. Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. Number 5. Number 6. Number 7. Number 8. Number 9. Number 10. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Thank you for watching. See you next video. Bye bye.